There's some breaking news now. Political showdown over SIR in West Bengal is escalating sharply. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has announced that she will move legally challenging the SIR process, alleging harassment of people, also linking it to reported deaths. Remember, the Chief Minister has already written 4 times to the Election Commission of India. The Chief Minister has said that Trinamool Congress, her party, will fight this issue legally and is already seeking legal assistance. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also said that this matter will be taken up by the court tomorrow, and she has also asserted that people are being harassed in the name of the exercise, and she has said that if required, if necessary, she will approach Supreme Court as well, and she has promised to speak and plead for the people of the state.
এই লড়াই বাঁচতে হবে। আমরাও আইনের সাহায্য নিচ্ছি। আগামীকাল কোর্ট খুলবে, আমরাও আইনে যাব। এত মানুষের মৃত্যু, এত মানুষকে যেভাবে হ্যারাস করেছে তার বিরুদ্ধে, এবং প্রয়োজন পড়লে আমি নিজেও পারমিশন চাইব, দরকার হলে আমিও সুপ্রিম কোর্টে গিয়ে মানুষের হয়ে আমি প্লিড করব, আমি মানুষের হয়ে কথা বলবো।
बिहार का वोटर लिस्ट पब्लिश हुआ, एक भी आदमी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में नहीं गया है। चुनाव हो गया है, सुपड़ा साफ हो गया है, इंडी का सरकार भी बन गया है, बंगाल में चल रहा है। अभी कुछ है तो उनको जाना चाहिए, नहीं तो 14 फरवरी का बाद कुछ जेन्युइन वोटर का नाम जो इंडियन है उसका नाम डिलीट हो जाएगा तो विद डॉक्यूमेंट चला जाएगा। ममता बनर्जी उनको लॉयर प्रोवाइड कर देगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
My colleague Ritik joins us with more details on this. Ritik, the TMC has clarified in the past as well that it's not completely against the process. It wants changes. It wants the family tree to be taken into account, something that was in process in Bihar. The Chief Minister has written 3 letters to the Election Commission of India already. What is the new thing that she said today?
Well, definitely it's a big development. What we do understand at this point in time, Mamata Banerjee herself has announced that she will be moving to court, challenging all discrepancies and also the harassment that the people of Bengal facing under the SIR exercise. Remember, Mamata Banerjee wrote her 3rd letter to the poll body yesterday, in which she flagged off several discrepancies. And today, while she was addressing a gathering here at Ganga Sagar Mela, and she went on record and said that WhatsApp messages are being used to exercise the SIR, to give directions to the officer, which is absolutely and duly procedures are not being followed. And she also said, following the several deaths in Bengal, she said that at least 70 people have lost their lives and multiple people are also undergoing treatment. Those have attempted suicide, and as people of Bengal are facing harassment for this SIR role exercise, she has decided to move to the court, and she or her party will be filing a case at court tomorrow, and if needed, she also will be seeking a special permission from the Apex Court to fight over the issue of SIR, to protect the people's right at the Supreme Court. So it's a big statement. What we do understand at this point in time, as the second phase of SIR is being carried out by the poll body, and we can see the war of words being escalated between ruling dispensation and opposition BJP for the entire exercise, and TMC is leaving no stone unturned to hit out the poll body. And today, Mamata Banerjee has decided
that when the SIR process started, the TMC was not one of the parties that had approached the court, but now as the SIR controversy escalates in the state and also the state gears up for the polls, TMC also wants to approach not just the Election Commission of India but also the Supreme Court to basically spotlight the discrepancies that it has been highlighting for the past few months.